We're at the Fairfax District Station of the Fairfax County Police Department for a meeting of the Northern Virginia Human Trafficking Task Force. The Just Ask initiative is a work group comprised of various members throughout the community to really raise awareness. It's a prevention effort to educate the community as to what's really going on, the realities of sex trafficking, what it looks like here in Northern Virginia, and how these traffickers are targeting our teen population.
We are at pretty much the 1-year anniversary of kind of the task.
So a lot of people want to know what the profile of a sex trafficking victim looks like, and the reality is that sex trafficking truly does cut across all races, classes, ethnicities, genders, socioeconomic classes, etc. The typical victim could be the girl next door. So today at the Northern Virginia Human Trafficking Task Force meeting, the Just Ask campaign released their PSA. It was produced and directed by a high school student here in Fairfax County. The main actress, Elaine Stewart, is a Fairfax County school student as well. So they're people that have ties to the community to deliver a message that directly affects our community.
Well, the purpose of the video is definitely to let kids know about human trafficking, and if they think they are victims or they are victims, to let them know that it's okay to ask and that there are people there to help them and are willing to reach out.
Human trafficking, particularly teen sex trafficking, has the potential to touch each and every home here in the United States, particularly here in Fairfax County. We know that the methods of the traffickers are more and more online through social media, and through the access through the internet makes them available to get to our teens very easily without being face-to-face. And so if parents aren't engaged, if they're not monitoring their kids' activities and behaviors, it's very possible that they could be being scouted and manipulated into teen sex trafficking.